What is the potential difference across a toaster of resistance 13.8 ohm when the current through it is 8.7 ampere? So if we use the Ohm's law, it is saying that V divided by I equals to R. V is the potential difference in terms of volt, I is electric current in terms of ampere, and R is the resistance in terms of ohm. This one, the resistance is given and the current is given. We need to find out volt. So V will be equal to I times R. So V will be equal to 8.7 times 13.8. So 8.7 times 13.8, that will be 120.06 volts.